Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 398. And today I have this problem is part of the daily challenge, and is this is find the longest special substring that occurs thrice one. Okay, you are given a string S that consists of lowercase English letters. And a string is called special if if it's made up of only a single character. For example, the string ABC is not special, whereas the string D or zeta and F are special. Return the length on the longest special substring of S, which occur at least thrice. Or less one if the special substring at least thrice. A substring is a contiguous name, blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. In this case here, the longest special substring which occurred thrice is AA. Is AA. It can be shown the maximum length achieved is 2. Okay. Here, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and here is A, B, C, A, B, A, B, A. Okay. A is Onyx. Morning. Okay. Now, morning. Well, I am trying to solve this problem. But right now I am trying to understand the question. Okay, the constraints are the length of the string is stored had a minimum that 3 and maximum 50, and is only lowercase English letters. Okay, and the components are okay. Go. Okay. And sorry, is this for work or just to learn? Well, it's for prepare for interviews. Yeah, it's for work. I am in the process to practice, for the interviews. That is important part of these interviews, the algorithm problems. Okay, now here. And usually it's in this way. You have the first is the filter with a simple question, and you need try to solve. It's very similar like this, but with the pressure that you only have a half hour, and it's a little hard at the beginning. Okay, in this case I need to know what is the substring that appear at least 3 times For example, here the character that appear, or the string, sorry, that appeared 3 times is this, and only that. But for example, another is A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B. In this case, the A appeared 3 times, but this is a substring, but another is this AB, AB, AB appeared 3 times, and the length is 2, the length is 1. Well, I think that is obviously with this. I will remove it. And BC, no. And only that in this case the maximum is AB, that is this, and the answer is 2. But here, for example, the longest special substring 3 times is AA. In this case, for example, with A, 1 is this, that appear at more. If it's special no, but it's okay, yeah, it's continuous. This is wrong. Sorry. This is wrong. In this case, okay, I think that is A, or B, and B. Another is A, B, B, A. Okay, in this case, I think that this, and this appear 3 times, and the longest is 2. Well, I am using the leetcode, and for the topics I pay for this course. I think that is very complete. Oh my gosh, it's very complete. I am right now here. I am very close to complete, I think. But yeah, I recommend you a lot this course. It's very useful. Okay, now here I have this AB, for example, A, and disappear 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I take the A as a single number, as a single character, is A appear 4 times, and the length is in this case 1. But I can change this by the AA. Yeah, in this case this appeared 3 times, and the maximum is 2. Okay, I think that for example, B, A, B. In this case, the A appear 1, 2, 3, and 4. No. In this case, is 4, 2, 2, 1. Okay, in this case, I can cut this, and in this case it's 2 2 A A 1 2 3, and the maximum is, I think that is 2, because for example if here appear another A, yeah, in this case I can take this as a longest substring, that is 4, because it's 1 2 and 3. Okay, I think that in this case I need to no, and even in this case, for example, if I have this only 2 substrings that contains the letter A, instead cut this between 2, I can cut this and take as a maximum 4. Let me check. This case is it's A B B B, and expected soon. Return the length of the longest special substring S, which occur at least thrice or less one if it's not special string occurs. Okay, but okay, here is the B. Let me change this for C. Why you need to? Why here is only is 2. The A appear, yeah, this string have 2 substrings that contains the letter A, this and this. Why is taking the minimum? In this case is 2. Okay, let me add another letter. Is 3. Is taking this. Why ignore completely this? gap is okay. For example, this set that appear 3 and not 4 because 4 is not repeat again here. Yeah, it means that, for example, the 4 only with the letter A appear only one time, but the 3 appear 1, 2, 2, and in 3. For example, if I have another letter that is A, what happens if I add another letter and the final A? I think that is still with 3. No, 1. 3. Here the maximum is this because this is this card, and here yeah, in this case the first is this. No, this is wrong. This is 3. Why take this? Because this is 1. This is ignore and is go to this and check the maximum. Okay. Maybe the way to discover this is have okay. The first is that I need to no because here appear A. This is a problem because four, 1, 2, 3. Okay, ignoring completely in this moment this case where all the letters are the same. Using this, I think that I need to track how many times appear these substrings. For example, the A, and keep sorted. My gosh. Yeah, for example, A, the first time appear 1, 2, 3 consecutive, 4. Next is B, appear 2. Next is A, appear 3. Even in this is the order. And next to C, appear only 1. And the final is this. Okay. And for example, in this moment, I can discard completely this and this and only keep with the A. Now having the 8, I think that I can check if this is minor than this, means that I can take this as a maximum length and only is n, or in this case is max, less, let me check, 1, 2. How can I make this calculus? In these 4 letters, I can get 2 substrings, 1 and 2. For example, if the substring is of the 2, is 1, 2, 3. How can I do this calculus? Yeah, because it's only this. It's get how many times this, the penultimate number appear in this. And with this is the max length is essential. No, even I think that I don't need calculate anything, because in this moment appear 3 times and is only enough. No, it's necessary because, for example, for where here 4 and here appear 3 times, return 3 because this appeared 3 times here. Let me check. Return the length of the special substring which occur at least thrice. Okay, got it. I think that this doesn't mean, for example, if I only have 4, yeah, it's okay, and I can apply the operation over this. Let me come back to my previous. Okay, A appear 4 times, B appear 2 times, A appear 3, C appear 1 time, and A appear 1 time. In this case, all the letters that the number is minor that 3 are ignored completely. In this case, these are ignored because I can get, for example, B and B. I can get 3 times the letter B. In this case, as a maximum, taking the first and the second is 2, no more. Yeah. If I have another, well, the maximum length in this case is 1 because is using this as a single character. I have three times this. but it's not the case. In this case, I only have this. Now the next is the 4 appear only one time, because with this I can do it, and this is the same. I still with the same idea, that take the penultimate number, this, yeah, and now is this. This is could appear 3 times here. I don't know how calculus this. 1, 2, and itself is 3. Oh, I think that it's enough only if this is minor than this, I can get this as an answer, because it doesn't matter if, for example, this contains a 1000 of A, the maximum is 3, you know? I don't know if it makes sense. Okay, I think that this is the way. But now, for example, what happens if I have B it's equal 5 and C it's equal 2 and 1. D it's equal 2 and 2. 4, 3, 1. For example, this if is A, B, B, D, D, no, let me change. D, D, X, X, N, D, D. For example, this and this, the maximum is 1 because it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, is the maximum is 1. I am trying to figure out what is the rules for include or exclude these registers, because for example in this case is the penultimum is only 1. In this case both are the same. I think that is, no, in this case is 1, not 2. This case I think that is 1, 2, 3. If this is A, is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let me check the comments because I feel as a hard problem, but maybe it's only my impression. If you look at strings, doesn't spark something. Mm, cleaning Windows binary search. Mm, okay. But how? 1, 2, 3. Okay, the maximum is 1. 4. Here the maximum is 2. Now start the B. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, now go to the next. That is A. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. The maximum is 1, but okay, why this is important? Because as a maximum I have 50 characters. Please very attentively read the statement. The main string splits some substrings and store a vector of the string. The main string splits. Yeah, for example, here the grader is a is equal 4, next to is 3, and the other is 1, b is equal 2, c is equal 1. For example, if I appear b here, no, only b, I think that is 1. This is discard. This is possible, but is 1 the maximum, and in this case is 3. I think that I can save in, sorry, in a hash map, yeah, the A, B, C, D, whatever, and here a list with the elements. In this case is 4, and in this moment apply the operation with the previous. In this case don't have, it's okay in this way. 4, 2, where the number is minor than 3, I need to ignore. Okay. Now is is 3, sorry, is 3. In this case the greater element is 4 and next to is the 3. Okay, I can take the 3 as a maximum. Okay, now the next that is C, that is 1 is minor than 3 is ignored. Now the next that is B, that is 1, and here I have the dou. I need to do the sum of these elements. For example, this case is 3, I can apply, but for example, if D appeared 2 times and next appeared 2 times, I have 4. For example, D, D, X, D, D. The D as a single character appeared 3 times. With 2 characters, it's not possible. For example, if I have A, B, B, C, D, E, the A appear 5 times. One, 2, 3. If it appears 6 times, 1, 2, 3. Okay, is N less 2. For example, if A appear this is 3 less 2, it's equal 1, only with 1. If appear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 less 2, it's equal 5, only the 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the formula to calculate what is the longest substring that I can get using the maximum substring is in essential this n less 2. Yeah, but for example, what happened if here appear another letter A? I think that it doesn't matter. Meanwhile, okay, I think that we have 2 rules, 2 important points. The first is if you find a substring that is greater, if the substring is greater than 3, you can make the calculus over this substring, the longest substring. And the other is that if you have, for example, this is important, I will move here. If you have, for example, A, B, B, A, C, D, A, D. For example, A, come on. Okay, A appear the first time 1, 1, and 2. And the maximum is 1 in this case. The maximum is this, and less 2 it's equal 0 because this is 2. Okay. If this appear 3, I think that is 1, still in 1. Por no. A, B, X, A, zeta, Y, A, N, P, A. Sorry. A. Now I have this, and this. Here using this is n less 2 is equal 1. I think that the maximum is 1, but it's wrong because this is 1, 2, and 3. The maximum is 2. Okay, I think that I can apply to calculus and get the maximum. The first is that if the current register of the elements is greater than 3, I can take the maximum and remove the maximum, that is 3, and take the second, or the new maximum. In this case is 2. The maximum is 2. But when only happen or only appear, for example, zeta it's equal 8, I can apply the operation 8 less 2 it's equal 6. The maximum is 6. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. No, this is wrong. No, it's okay. Okay, now I think that I can save these elements. In a hash map. Okay. Okay. Now the first that is a hash map. I think that I only need to keep the register of the 3 elements. And try to sort all the time these elements, taking the maximum. Well, in this case is integer, and here is a list of the integers. map is equal new hash map, and now I have this. The next that is for okay, here I need to count the maximum frequency of the every substring. Okay, char current is equal s dot char add in the position 0. Okay, and integer frequency it's equal 1 because I am taking the first, and okay, integer I is equal 0 while I is minor that map s dot length I plus plus okay, now integer I okay, now here I need to start to count. Okay, now let me convert this to empty space, and this is 0, and here is ask if current it's equal to s dot char add in the position I frequency plus plus. If it's false, I need to save the previous frequency in the map. In this case is current and the frequency, and now current it's equal s dot char add in the position I, in frequency restart but in 1. Yeah, for example, the first time if I have A B C B C A, the first character is current, it's different to, it's equal to the letter A. In this case is not, because are different. This is blank space and this is a letter A. Okay, in this case I save the current, that is blank space. Okay, I think that I need to avoid this. Current it's equal to this, continue, only move to the next. Now where it's different, it's only for the first case. if it's different to this, set the current, the frequency, and restart. Okay, for example, the first time current is an empty space, and empty space is equal letter A. No, okay, current is different. It's sorry, I was speaking Spanish. Current is different to blank space. No, it's equal. Okay, this is ignored, and now current it's equal letter A, and frequency it's equal 1. Okay, now move to the next. The next that is this. Okay, let me copy this, and okay, the first is complete. Now the next that is this. A it's equal to A. Yeah, now frequency have the value of 2. Okay, the next is a letter A. Yeah, okay, increase the frequency in 3. Now the next letter is B. A it's equal to B. No, current that is A is different to blank space. Yeah, okay, is save it. In this I think that if map.get current contains key current but negative, I need to create the list. Yeah, and next to save. Okay, in this case the letter A exists. No, okay, create the list. I think that I can create the new array list. I am thinking maybe it's much better to use an integer like this. Okay, let me check. Define its size, Java. I'm not sure here with the new array list. Oh, I think that I can have an array with 4 slots and always add the frequency in the position. Okay, in this case is get in the position 3, that is the last slot. It's equal frequency, and inside I think that I can erase.sort and sort this element. Yeah, for example, my idea is that you have this, you start with the first, well, in this case we have 3, the letter A appeared 3 times. Okay, in this case the letter A appear in the map. No, okay, create an an array with 4 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 4? Because I need to add the new element and the final always, and next to sort these elements. Yeah, for example, at the beginning all are 0. Yeah, and next to is set map.get current, means that this array in the last position it's equal the new frequency. The new frequency in this moment is 3 because we are considering this. Okay, now this 3 and now is sorted. I think in this case the array sort okay, and I think that I can use directly because yeah, doesn't works with primitive numbers. Okay, I need to sort it this way, means that the maximum element appear always here. Okay, in this case I think that always I will add in the index 0. Why? In one moment I will explain. Now the next that is, okay, this is complete. Now the next that is letter B. Okay, the letter B this is A, it's equal this. Okay, now the letter B is the same. Okay, is create 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now is add in the index 0 the new frequency that is 1, and sorted this element. This one should be appear here. Okay, because the minimum appear at the beginning. Okay, now is complete. Now is the letter C. Well, in this case the letter C is similar to the letter B in this moment. Yeah, in this case is B, and the letter C is the same because only appeared one time until now. And sorted the frequency is this. Okay, now the next that is the letter B. Okay, the letter B in this case is this. I add the new frequency that is 1, and sorted should be appear in this way. Yeah. Next that is the letter C. It's exactly the same. The first is add in the index 0, and next to is add sorted is here. And now the letter A appear one time. In this case is add here, and sorted appear here. Okay, next to is that I need to iterate over these elements, or even meanwhile I am doing this operation, I can calculus. Okay, the maximum with the previous. Okay, the first is that if the maximum, for example 8, I can apply 8 less 2, it's equal 6. The maximum frequency should be 6. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the first is 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 3. Okay, I think that the maximum is at this. Okay, I need to do this calculus. And for example, where is 3 less 2, it's equal 1. Okay, the maximum is 1 in this moment, and I can apply this operation. If 3 for example, what happened if appear here 2 and 2 less 2, it's equal 0. Okay, is ignored, and the other is that 2 and 2. Here I have my dove because, for example, it's AA, B, AA. In this case, the maximum is 1 because it's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2. For example, in this case, the 8 appear 1, 1, 2, 3. In this case is 3 less 2 is equal 1. For example, here 8 and 3 is 6. The maximum is 6. Okay, for example, here is 2 and this is 3. With the 4, applying the formula, it's equal to, the maximum is 2, but let me check, A, C, A, okay, in this case is 1, 2, 3, in this case is wrong. Okay, I think that the first is take this and make the calculus n less 1 and get the result, yeah? And the other is that the maximum the previous of the maximum, for example, in this case is 3. Okay, in this case is prev max. What is the maximum? In this case, for example, if I am taking this example, is 8, oh, come on, 8, no, sorry, is 8 less 2, it's equal 6, and the previous is 3. The maximum, well, is still in 6. Now, for example, with this 1 and 1, sorry, 1 and 1. 1 less 1 is equal 0, no? And 1, only 1, but it's not true because don't appear 3 times. The sum of this element should be greater than 2, greater equal 3. Okay, if the sum between this and this is greater equal 3, I can apply this. If it's minor, I can ignore completely this register. Okay, I think that sorting this, here I can apply this operation. The first is that integer m it's equal map.get current in the position in the last, in this case is the 0, 1, the 3 less 2. Okay, in this case this is the n less 2, and the other is integer. I need the sum between the last and the previous. If it's greater, mn it's equal this plus this if it's greater equal 3 I return the index 2, other case return 0. Okay. Okay, in here make the calculus. If m it's equal, it's minor, that minor equal 0 is continue. But no, I can do the continue. Here it's greater than 0. Max it's equal math dot max between max and m. I think that it's not necessary this, because if it's minor it's only ignore. Okay, and the other is max it's equal max n. I think that n where it's a comment here. Why? It's for this integer. Current. I am putting the chat. Okay. Here is character. Okay, I think that I will continue in another transmission, but thanks for following, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.